Hello and welcome back to DaveTech. In this video, I'll show you how to watch free movies on Chromecast.
Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick, or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video.
Alright, so now I'm going to show you using the Filmsy application. If I hop over to apps and then scroll on this list, I'll find the Filmsy application right here. So I have this app downloaded and installed. I have videos showing you how to download and install this app on Chromecast. Check those out, get the application, and then click on it to launch. Now when you click on the application, it's going to launch. Give it a second to boot up. And from there, I'll show you how to watch free movies on Filmsy. So first things first, accept the terms and policies, and there you go. You're launched directly into the app. You need nothing in terms of a sign up. There are no obstructions. You begin to watch free movies, free TV shows. These are different categories on the home screen. You have crime, comedy, family movies, action, biography, and so on. So Films is one very good app. You can also go to the search bar and just search for anything you want. Let's just say a search for BOM. So these are the different things that pop up. So anything you want, just search for it here. You're going to find it. Maybe not all, but the vast majority. And then go to movies. You can find movies in different categories. You can sort them by new arrivals, family movies, action. So these are different categories of movies. Just hop over to what you want, click on it. So for instance, and the same with the TV shows also. I will just go to this Elite. I click on Elite. I see 1 hour 30 minutes. It's action. Clicking on the play film button right here is going to just start playing the movie. Also on this left bar you can find series. So we're talking about TV shows. So specific for TV shows, you find them under here: comedy TV shows, family movies, action, even horror TV shows. So you find all of those there. These are some of the family ones. Any of the ones you're interested in, you could just click on it and begin to watch. These are the ones on the comedy as well. So if I find something interesting like uh threesome, click on it. There I could play season 1 episode 1. That's if I'm starting from the beginning. Alternatively, I will go to episodes, click on episodes, and that shows me this comedy in episodes. So episode 1, episode 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. Any of them which I click on will start playing and I could watch from there. So that gives you an idea. That's the app in summary. If you found that useful, like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video.